Why the fuck is it always so windy? I'm messing around with the volume levels on my Zoom, because if you noticed in the last video it went really quiet at the start and I had to higher it up, and then you get a lot of like a noise. So I'm hoping the wind isn't going to fuck it up, because when you have it on auto levels, the Zoom will try its best to, you know, find the audio source that has like the most volume, I think, so that will focus on that. So I was hoping that would be my voice, but it doesn't always seem to be my voice. What the fuck is going on here? Hoping that this road's nice and quiet, because it normally is, but it is rush hour. So you can see the roads are drying up a little bit, well, a lot. So I'm hoping that the road up here is the same. I don't really like the surface, but every time I've been here it's been so quiet. It seems like the perfect place, because you're not near houses and it seemed like a busy road. But anyway guys, how's it going? Moto Dragon here again. Back with another fucking vlog. Yeah. Oh my god, I burped. I burka-hooped, hiccup-burped. I always forget where this road is. It's here. It's up here. It's up here. Oh fuck me, it's so windy. I think this is it. The heat just went down. We do a little wheelie now. Oh my god. See, I just want to get a bit of practice in. Fucking wet here. See, I can ring it out in second, but that's about it. It's all wet here, fuck's sake. Kind of ruins my plans, because all I need to do is hit a wet patch and I'll slip, and then I'm fucked. I'll try another one anyway. That was a bad one. I'm literally just learning to be so much smoother. That's all I'm practicing. Just on the throttle. Even when I do bad ones, I'm just trying to be nice and smooth so I can kind of keep it up in the air. There's a bad one. I'm getting there, guys. I'm fucking getting there. My back actually slipped with that one. Get used to the whole nice and smooth on the throttle. You can see the way it was falling, and just by giving a throttle it kind of came up. I really need to practice changing gear as well. That's kind of a bit too scary for me at the moment. That's a bit too scary. Like not a lot of road, if I'm fair. Oh, that's bumpy. Okay, that was a bad one. Straight from the start, that was bad. So I always find the way it is that you do a few good ones and then you just kind of get worse, especially when you're practicing. There's nearly full second gear. You need to practice with the back brake as well. And don't actually use it. It's all throttle. So I also don't want to wheelie by people, because I can annoy them, and people out here can be a bit on the old sensitive side. That was a really bad U-turn. Ah, for fuck's sake. No, see, I'm getting worse now. As I said, that's what happens. My hands are just getting a little bit sore because I'm not used to it. That wasn't a bad one. Wasn't the worst, wasn't the best. I also realised I just forgot my backpack, so I can't even go get a fucking drink because I'm thirsty. I'm so thirsty. Yeah guys, I received my my new bars in the post, my clip-ons. So it's going to be kind of interesting. That's a fucking hole and a half if I've ever seen one. A big hole. Traffic is why I didn't want to come out this time. I'm gonna get them put on Saturday. It's Thursday today, so I'm gonna get them put on. I hope I like them because, you know, they're not cheap. And then the customs in Ireland absolutely fucking annihilated me, and I got taxed like a motherfucker on top of that. It cost me an extra €70, and I got no warning of this until it arrived, and they're like, right, we want our €70. Actually, sorry, it was €77, so I'm calling that fucking €80. They're like, we want our money, bitch. It's like, the fuck you on about money? They were like, you don't want our fucking money, bitch, or you're not getting your package. It's like, the fuck? Obviously this is completely made up, apart from them wanting the money. So I wasn't at the house, so Mrs. Dragon's dad had to pay them in a check. So then I had to pay him, and I was like, why don't you just cancel the fucking check and, you know, win-win for both of us. Don't know why they accepted a check and then released the goods to me. That seems a bit weird. You know, like, it's normally like kind of 10 days for a check to clear, so I thought I was going to be waiting another 10 days, but they gave it to us. So, happy fucking days. And now I have to fucking pay to get them put on, and I was going to do them myself, but I needed the grips on these are actually, I thought they were just, you know, put on with pressure, you know, the way they normally are, but these ones are actually glued on, so I have to cut them. So I need new grips. It's no good to me for me to fucking do them on my own. So I'm getting them done by my mechanic. I'm going to get my oil done at the same time, may as well, you know, two birds with one stone, all that good stuff. They look pretty cool, to be honest, and I think they look really nice on the bike from the pictures I've seen in the videos. I'm just hoping, for me, like especially with wheelies, I hope I don't just lose my wheelie skills that I have, because, you know, very little wheelie skills, and I don't want the bars to kind of make it feel a lot weirder or worse for me trying to wheelie. So I'm just hoping I like them. I really fucking hope I like them. I'm also dying with the heat. I have my fucking kind of my waterproof gloves on and a hoodie underneath my jacket because it was very cold with the wind, and now that I'm in the town and there's no wind, I'm kind of dying a little bit on the inside. I don't actually know where I'm going. I don't really have a plan. I was just kind of wanted to get out and do a few wheelies. I wasn't really happy with the road. That was our light. I think that's kind of it for mods for the moment. The next thing I really want to do, I'm gonna go fucking left. The only thing I really want to do next is I want to actually wrap the bike, but I really don't know yet. I'm a bit unsure about wrapping the bike. It is something I want to do, but I don't know if I'm really that arsed. Oh, you're not gonna stop, are you? I wasn't moving over for you. You bitch. Yeah, bitch. yeah guys, that's about it. I'm going to make a video anyway when I first get the bars on. I'm obviously not going to record when they're getting put on. I'd rather just let my mechanic do his thing. I don't want to be fucking a camera in his face. That's just not the way I like doing videos. I just find it very awkward and weird. I don't want to do that. My fucking hands are sweating, Jesus Christ. But yeah guys, I'm going to do a video when I first get the bars on. Hopefully I can get them done this Saturday. I'm excited, and I hope you enjoyed the little wheelies. They were kind of okay. Some of them are very good, some of them are shit. I really just can't use the back brake. Just my brain doesn't like it. But you know, my throttle control is getting there. Guys, look, I'm going to end the video here. Hope all of you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll talk to you all in the next video.